Today we're gonna cut some saltis. I think that's how you pronounce. What the? Add some oil. We're gonna put 1 spoon of garlic. And then we put our vegetables. Then we mix it. Our vegetables. Let's grill it or something. More mixer. Let's keep it mixing. It feels freshly yummy or something. I add some fish, like a little bit of fish sauce, and then I just keep mixing it. Like popcorn. And then we're just gonna scoop up the vegetable and place on the plate. This is gonna take forever. Make sure to grab every last bit of pieces and not to leave any. I'm making a mess. I can scoop. There you have it. A dish with saltis, garlic, soy sauce, and olive oil. And it's healthy because it has nutrients. Yeah.